This is SD Williams, Educational Technology Coach for Beaufort County School District. This video is to help students and their parents access materials through Classlink and Google Classroom so that they can keep up with their virtual learning assignments. The very first thing that students will need to do is open Google Chrome. You can find this icon on your desktop. So once you've clicked open Google Chrome, you should immediately see a page that looks just like this. If for some reason you don't see this page when you open Google Chrome,
or you're on a device that's not your district device, just click the plus sign to make a new tab in Chrome and type in the website launchpad.classlink.com/Beaufort. This will take you to the right place.
Once you're here, you can click the blue Sign In with ADFS button. You're going to type your network username at BeaufortSchools.org. Once you've typed your username at BeaufortSchools.org, just look at it one more time. Make sure you haven't left out your middle initial, your last initial, your birthday, the @ sign, or that you have misspelled anything in BeaufortSchools.org. Once you're ready, type your password. This will be your network password. This is the same password that you use to sign into the tablet itself. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken to the Classlink landing page where you'll see all your apps for Beaufort County School District. These apps are really just links to these websites, but with a single sign-on so that when you click the app, you'll be able to go directly in. Sometimes you will have to log in the very first time, but anything with a key is going to remember your username and password in the future. For the purposes of your virtual learning, the main website that you're going to be accessing is Google Classroom. So you'll click this little Google Classroom app. Now the first time through, you will have to type your Google account here. So that will be your username at BeaufortSchools.org. So once you've typed in username at BeaufortSchools.org, click Next, and you should be taken directly into your Google Classroom. If for some reason you do have to enter a password, just remember that that password will be the same as your network password, the same password you use to log into the tablet and to log into Classlink. A quick way to avoid having to log in every time you click on the Google Classroom icon in Classlink is to simply click the Google Drive icon first and then go back to the Classlink tab. There, when you click on Google Classroom, you won't ever have to log in as long as you've clicked on the Drive icon first. Once you're in Google Classroom and you see all of the classes that you have joined, you are ready to get started with your virtual learning assignments.
If you have the class code for a class that you need to join, click the plus sign, then enter the class code. Click Join, and you'll be in.
If you see any class card like this with a Join button, this means that for some reason you did not join the teacher's class using a code, but the teacher has invited you to join their Google Classroom. So all you need to do to join is click the Join button, and then you'll see that class appear in your Google Classroom.
Once you're in Google Classroom, you'll start on the Stream page. This will show a listing of all the assignments that your teacher has posted. You probably want to go to the Classwork page instead so that you can see an organized version of these posts. There are many types of assignments that your teachers may post to Google Classroom at this time. A few examples may be a reminder type post, where your teacher is just giving you a message to read and there's nothing for you to turn in. You may also see posts that give you directions to access offline materials such as textbooks, notebooks, packets, and other offline materials. In this case, complete as directed in the assignment. You can also click View Assignment if you're asked to add any additional materials. You can add or create, attach docs, slides, sheets, and drawings that are brand new, or add documents from your Google Drive, a link somewhere online, or a file that you have already on your computer. You can also use File to attach images that you've taken. If you're using the Google Classroom app, you can access your camera roll and attach photos that way. When you're done, be sure that you click Turn In so that your teacher receives your assignment. Another type of assignment you may see are digital worksheets. In this case, you will need to open the assignment to see the file with your name on it. When you click that file, you'll see a blue Open with Cami button at the top. If you do not have this button because you are using a device that's not your school device, just search for the Cami Chrome extension and add it to Chrome. Once you click the blue Open with Cami button, your document will open in Cami.
If you do not see the blue Open with Cami button and have trouble with the extension, just click these 3 dots in the top right and say Open in a new window. Look under the Open With menu. If you see Annotate with Cami, then you can use that. If not, connect more apps and search for Cami. You are looking for the Cami PDF and document annotation option. You will just click the blue connect button that you'll have here, and you will be able to open with Annotate with Cami and open the file in Cami, just like someone who uses the blue Open with Cami button does.
Cami has a variety of helpful tools for you. You may want to use the drawing tool to write directly on the document. You may want to use the text box to type answers in. There's a variety of other tools such as voice comments and video comments, shapes, an eraser, things that you may find useful and can explore, but your basics are going to be drawing and text. Be sure that when you've done the entire assignment, you click Turn in the top right and then Turn in again so that your teacher will receive this assignment in Google Classroom. Another type of assignment that you may see in Google Classroom are assignments where your teacher has made a copy for you. In order to complete this, you can click the document here or click View Assignment to see more options. You can add private comments if you have questions or click Turn in when you're ready. To complete the assignment, simply open it up, follow the directions on the slides or doc or whatever type of assignment it is, and then be sure that when you're done, you go back to the Google Classroom assignment and click Turn in. That way your teacher will know that you have done the assignment. If you have any specific questions about assignments in Google Classroom, please contact your teacher directly.